So finally I attached the hard disk with the laptop, and as you can see, I will show you the partitions. So very interesting thing I would like to show you. When I received this hard drive, it was around 4.5 TB usable, and the rest 500 GB is not used, since the entire hard drive was formatted with NTFS. What I did, I have actually created multiple partitions in it, where the first sector I have unused uh, around 100 GB, since I wanted to use this external hard drive for booting also. Rest I have used for data storage, where the first sector is second sector is NTFS, and third is FAT. Now FAT is actually it is compatible to every device, even on mobile you can read, and NTFS is Windows friendly, and plus most of the device also mobile devices also supported. So this is for universal support. Rest, if you see, they are not labeled here because they are XFS file system. XFS file system I would like to explain a little bit. You have heard about corrupted boot sector, and now you need to Windows say you now you need to repair it or format it again. So these for getting you prevented from all these sort of errors, since you are using such a huge hard drive for long storage, and you would be storing everything in it, since it is 5 TB. So you won't you never would want that your partitions should go corrupted. For that I have actually partitioned it with XFS file system. It has multiple super super blocks. That is a very important thing in it. That's why. So if you can see, the rest all are XFS file systems. What I would be using this in my Linux system to keep a long-term backup. Rest I don't trust all these NTFS and FAT so much. That's why. So finally, after the unboxing, I have connected my hard drive into my laptop. So now let's check what is the read and write speed of my hard disk. For your information, I have connected my hard drive with 3.0 port of my laptop, which is actually in the backend. Now let's check what is the size of the file I'm going to transfer. You can see it is 77.2 GB, so it is pretty good amount. Let's copy this file. This is my hard disk, and let's paste it here. You can see it is calculating first, and now it is transferring. Actually the speed keeps on varying. It is 70, 74. I have even checked it prior. The games folder, it was around 110. So it depends what is the size of the file. So in this big billion day, the hard disk which I bought was around 5 TB, and it is pretty impressive. It was from WD. You can check this out. Since I have to transfer a huge amount of file to the hard disk, so I have actually elevated this on the 2 pin. You can see we have made some desi jugaad to elevate it, since it gets pretty heated when you will be using it for a long time, and which I certainly have to, because I have to transfer around 500 GB into the drive.